only wearing this shirt. But remember how I did a Photoshop ChatGPT video recently, right? It was like my vision of Photoshop and using ChatGPT to actually create an Instagram post and to save my files. Yeah, can you add some text that says memories from Sapa and apply a watercolor effect to the image?
Adding the text, memories from Sapa, and applying a watercolor effect to the image. Anything else?
Wow. Okay, this is real, okay? I'm on ChatGPT, check it out. Hey Chat, how you doing? I wanna use the new Adobe Express integration to create a Instagram post for an Adobe Photoshop webinar that I have coming up this month.
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Let's get started on your Instagram post for the Adobe Photoshop webinar. Do you want to generate a personalized design or search through existing templates? If you choose to generate a design, could you share some details like the date and time of the webinar and any specific text or images you'd like to include?
Yes, the webinar is July 18th from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. It's called Photoshop in a Day. It's live and online. And I would like you to use the colors for the Adobe Photoshop logo.
Hang tight. I'm making a personalized design just for you in Adobe Express. Adobe Express wants to send some data to a website to finish your request. Please check the conversation history to allow or decline.
Okay, so I have to allow this, I'll allow that. So here we are on the phone. You can see that it's generated a few templates for us. So I'm gonna click on one. None of them look amazing, but I mean, just from my text, just from audio, not bad. And when I click on them, it opens up in Adobe Express. And boom, they're in Photoshop in the day at our live online webinar. Not bad. You know, it didn't use the colors that I asked for, but from my voice to this, wow. And now, of course, from Adobe Express, I can schedule it, I can send, I can post, and I'm done. Wow. Anyway, check it out and stay tuned for more. See you soon. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and give a thumbs up.